Hey everyone, so I ordered this jewelry rack from Amazon. It has 52 hooks. It was about 35 bucks, plus tax and all that. So I'm gonna unbox this. I'm gonna open it up and just kind of set it, set it up. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I got this for when I do my, vendor events. I have one coming up that I needed it for. So I'm gonna set it up and see how it looks. All right, and I'll let you know if I like it or not. So, all right, we'll be right back. So it came with instructions, and these are some of the other racks that they have. Different displays for different things, I guess. So that's really cool. And then it has these instructions here, and that is the QR code. I don't know. Hopefully I can set it up by myself. I'm not real handy when it comes to doing things like this. So we'll see. All right. These are the racks. Well, this is the bottom part of it here. Okay. It comes with two racks. And they kind of, I don't know, I pulled it out of a box and the little stuff, I guess, holding it together kind of broke, but I think it's okay. It comes with a little bag, too. So I guess you can fold it up and carry it with you. Right? So that's kind of nice, I guess. And that's the name of the store, the display store. So that's kind of cool. All right, so I just want to show you what comes in the box. So you get two of these, and it's wrapped in bubble wrap. All right, you get this part, which is the bottom, and you get the racks, the hooks. So yeah, it's like the ones you see in the store. Can I open this box? Let me see. Oh, let's see. Let's open it. Oh yeah, like that, y'all. Okay. So yeah, you get this stuff here. These it comes with 52 racks and some other stuff. So I'm gonna have to sit down and look at this and play with it a little bit, the screws and everything else. Okay, I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit to see exactly what's what. But looks pretty good. Looks promising, y'all. I mean, they had some on there that was a lot more expensive. That was like 60 bucks, and I was like, I'm not paying that. So, for 35 bucks, which is kind of like half the price, I think that's pretty good. All right, so let me play with this, and then I will come back, and I will show y'all what it looks like. All right? All right, so I put it together. It took me about 10 minutes. I had this part, like, on backwards, but it's pretty simple to put together, y'all. It really is. And here are the hooks, right? So it looks like one of those display things in the store, and it's pretty big. So if you do jewelry events, vendor events, something like this would be great for your necklaces or earrings or whatever. So I guess you hang them on here like so, like that. Oh yeah, that's how you do it. You just hang these. Yeah, that's how it looks. Okay, that's the hook. Just kind of click it on here like so. I'm holding my camera, y'all. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand here. So let's put it here, and then you snap it in. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna snap some of these on, and then I'm going to hang some of my stuff on here, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, this is the best way I could film this, y'all. I'm so sorry. Yeah, there's no other way I can really film this because it's so big, yeah. So all right, let's put the hooks in, and then we're gonna attach some of the jewelry, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I'm pulling out some hooks here. I don't know how many I'm gonna use. It comes with 52 of them, so we'll see. All right, so let me do that. All right, y'all. So I hung my stuff on here just to see how it would look. Okay, I put the hooks on there. I did this because I wanted to see, how bracelets would hang from it. I would probably have to move this down just a little bit, but they hang just fine. Or you could put it up here, obviously. But I absolutely love this rack, y'all. I think I'm going to have to get another one. I think I'm going to have to order another one because I love it. Here's some necklaces here. This is what they look like. Wait, sorry, it's focusing. So yeah, you see that? So these are some of the necklaces I have. I didn't know how to layer it. I just decided to do it like that. So that's the second row, and you can put a lot on here too. Okay, so that's that one. This is the bottom row. Well, here, just messing it up here. So those are my these are my charm bracelets here. Okay, These are my necklaces, some other little necklaces that I had. Okay, some other little necklaces. You could probably put several pieces on here, and I say that because, see, these cards are kind of big. So if your cards are smaller, you can absolutely put more things on a hook. Okay, so if your pieces are, you know, your card pieces are smaller, you can hang more pieces on the hook. These are a little on the big side because I wanted the jewelry to hang a certain way and look a certain way. But yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it. And I have a whole other thing of hooks over here, okay? Whole other box, you know, that I could use. And I'm wondering if I put it side by side, if I could put some of these hooks, you know, in the back. I don't know. I haven't tried that yet. I don't know. It's probably just for the front, but I'm sure you can do it. But this thing is fabulous. Oh, I love it. It sits really steady on the desk. All right, it's really, really nice. And that's what it looks like afar. I know, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm in my studio on my table. It's messy. Don't judge me. And I'm trying to hold my camera still here. Oh, wait. Is it not focusing? Yeah, there we go. All right, so, yeah, my table's a mess. Don't judge me. But, yeah, that's what it looks like from afar. I am filming with my phone here. So, all right, just so we're clear here. I want to try to show you guys. Yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it. For the best $35 I ever spent. All right, so I will put the link for this down in the description if you want to check it out on Amazon. They have other types of displays too. So if this does not work for you, you know, they have other stuff you can choose from. Lots of other stuff. So like if someone sells baked goods, or if someone sells soaps and creams and stuff like that, they got a lot of different types of displays. You know, I was thinking about even getting one for my crystals and stuff, because y'all know I sell crystals and candles and stuff. But I think this is great. And it doesn't take, I mean, it's big, but it doesn't look like it'll take up a whole bunch of space. And I would set this on a riser. Okay. Sturdy riser. Okay. Maybe. I'll see. It's kind of big, but I may not need to, but I'm going to test it out and see, you know, because you want people to see your stuff from far away. So yeah, this is amazing. I bought this with my own money. I'm not sponsored. Nobody sent this to me. Okay, so yeah. All right. So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave it below and I'll answer, get back to you. And make sure you give me a follow on my social media. My Linktree link is listed down in the description. My Etsy shop, my TikTok, the Facebook group, all of that. All right. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.